Insta360 Link 2 Pro 4K AI webcam review. Why your camera should follow you. You're on a client call and your laptop camera makes you look dim, grainy, and unprofessional. You've tried moving closer to the window, you've adjusted the desk lamp 3 times, nothing helps. You're stuck looking worse than everyone else in the meeting. A designer I know lost a freelance pitch because her video quality screamed amateur while her competitors looked polished. Does your camera hold you back? Every week you waste hours trying to find the right lighting angle. Every meeting you adjust your posture to stay in frame. Every stream you manually zoom and reframe because your webcam just sits there, dumb and static. A content creator told me he missed going live on time twice because he was fiddling with his old camera. Freedom arrives when your camera actually thinks for itself. This is where the Insta360 Link 2 Pro Get Set bundle steps in and everything upgrades. Don't just pick any webcam. Make sure it has a 1/1.3-inch sensor so you avoid that grainy, washed-out low-light disaster that everyone complains about. The Link 2 Pro delivers true 4K video with a sensor dramatically larger than typical webcams, capturing cleaner footage even in dim rooms. The AI-powered PTZ gimbal physically pans, tilts, and zooms to follow you around the room, keeping you perfectly framed without lifting a finger. The HDR processing balances bright windows and dark corners so you look professional in mixed lighting. The directional noise-canceling mics isolate your voice and suppress keyboard clicks, fan hum, and background chatter. The Stream Deck integration lets you switch between face close-up, desk view, and whiteboard mode instantly during live streams. The gesture control triggers tracking and zoom with simple hand movements when you can't reach the keyboard. A marketing consultant nearly missed her product demo deadline until the Link 2 Pro's overhead desk mode let her showcase physical samples flawlessly without repositioning anything. Her client called it the smoothest remote presentation they'd seen. One bonus most people miss, the included magnetic mount and tripod mean you're ready to go on any setup, monitor, laptop, or standalone without buying extra accessories. This isn't just sharper video, it's reclaiming the visual authority you lose with a bad camera, cutting setup stress by 80% and presenting yourself like the professional you are without fussing with lighting rigs or manual framing. A leading technology review publication awarded the Link 2 Pro top scores, stating it resets expectations for what a webcam can be. The 1/1.3-inch sensor delivers image quality that rivals dedicated mirrorless cameras in good light and decisively beats every other webcam in low light. And the AI tracking is robust, smooth, and genuinely useful. A tech influencer specializing in creator tools said, "For streaming, this is a game changer. The AI tracking keeps me perfectly framed while I move around, and the integration with my Stream Deck lets me switch between close-up, wide shot, and overhead desk shots instantly." A verified purchaser reported, "As a university lecturer, the Link 2 Pro has transformed my online classes. I use the tracking to follow me as I write on a whiteboard, and the video quality is so sharp that students comment on it." A corporate IT manager posted, "We've deployed these to our executive and sales teams. The consistent, high-quality video enhances our company's image, and the noise-canceling mics are particularly effective in open-plan offices." Which feature would change your workflow most? Comment 1 for AI tracking, 2 for low-light quality, 3 for Stream Deck control. I noticed after 3 weeks that I stopped thinking about my camera setup entirely. It just worked intelligently and smoothly, meeting after meeting, stream after stream. You already know what it feels like to join a call and look instantly credible, polished, and ready. The Insta360 Link 2 Pro Get Set bundle delivers that every time with 4K clarity, AI tracking that follows you naturally, and HDR that handles any lighting challenge. Join the many professionals already seeing consistent workflow improvements and elevated video presence. Results may vary based on your environment, but the difference is undeniable. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Experience the camera that thinks while you create.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.